still green. Grenade butt plug pog. Hello? Taxi, taxi, police car, police car. Why is it always shit cars here when I spawn after this mission? It's always this mission that spawns terrible cars. Hey, you'll do. Mike. Mike's pretty fucking good. God damn, can't complain about that. Yeah, I replayed. No matter, I feel like with this particular section, I always get a bad car, like every time without fail. It's really strange. Even, like I replayed like 3 times. Okay, yes, now I will turn on the radio. What? Is this Barnyard Golf? I think that was the tail end of Barnyard Golf. The good news is, because I got a bike here, I might actually save substantial time. Ram Ranch? Never mind, I will not save substantial time here from a bike.
Alright, people. Alright, people. Here's the deal. For the first time ever, I reached a chat limit. I reached the limit of a chat. If you go to this chat and we say for issues and suggest one fix, or suggest one thing that will help fix, investigate the issue. Save and submit. And it'll give you a nice thing that says you have reached the limit. This conversation is too long. Please start a new one. Ain't that some shit, huh? I think it's pretty crazy. Alright, what's up, gamers? We have finished. Okay, here's the rundown. We have finished implementing the relay for messages from Twitch to YouTube. However, now I must clean up my auth code on the back end. That's the easiest way I can describe it. Yo, what is going on? I love Twitch so much, but it is so janky. Like, it's just so jank. Like, okay, cool. So yeah, and that's TJ yesterday talking about F1 people being sexy. So,
We'll push on.
unfortunately, I'm gonna have to hijack a message up here and be like, yo, we're reaching the end of our limit or the limit of the conversation. So I'm gonna need you to output just basically, like, what did I ask stream titles? Like, here's what I asked stream titles to do. I was like, output a description of this chat, including instructions that will get a new GPT chat up to speed. So, that's what we're gonna do. However, I do have to give it the Docker file. I love how it's opening to my auth-get file. Okay. I might include the auth-get part as an automatic process in the actual app, but we'll see. I might just have everything sent from my account until it goes public. There's like literally so much to think about right now. I really got myself into a banger of a project like very quickly. And yeah, it's kind of crazy. Like, this has real potential to have features that no other service has right now, which is just really nice. So we might be able to actually do something here.
I guess I have time save on learning to fly. Fuck, this one's gonna be rough to go against.
I always have to pause the YouTube stream on my browser because it goes automatically. Okay. So yesterday when I was testing, basically I know that the login and everything for the YT live chat bot that's going to be sending the messages logs in fine because it's not giving me any errors. So, now we just have to figure out why in the auth file, like, I'll just, so that I'm up to speed. Well, I don't need to test it again. If I sign in with Twitch, the redirect says state mismatch or missing state, which means something in my auth file is fucked. Which means now we're going to, okay, so those aren't going, which is good. Now, hopefully if I hijack something up here, it'll keep going. But what I do need to do, let's say, same directory, Docker run, expected format and naming, credentials. No.
But then you haven't seen Wallace and Gromit. It doesn't like check out at all.
So we added, yes, all this. So all this works. So I'm gonna hijack this message. This is gonna be the last hijack because we need to jump ship apparently. So this is gonna be the bottom of the message. We're running out of overall. We're running out of overall.
It was such a good run. It was a 118 Los Santos, a fucking sub 150.
Like we're reaching the limit of length for this specific conversation. It's been great. Cool. Here's the current Docker file with changes. Liquid Wi-Fi stream is becoming so memey, and he's making so much money off of it. What's happening is people are changing the radio in San Andreas by paying his Patreon. So if you go to his Patreon,
for the most part. My worst level overall might be RTLS. No!
you can like change his. You can change the radio in San Andreas or GTA somehow.
I think I'm pretty bad at Ventura.
And on top of that, if you pay more for a media share, that shit will just run immediately. So, Fool has like the money coming in for the changing of the radio. So when you hear dumbass songs on the radio, like he's making dollarinos. And then if there's a song that cuts in immediately and overtakes the radio, he's making like $10+ off of that one. So either his or his manager is kind of a genius. Either him or his manager. Whoever had that idea. I don't know who's doing his stuff. I don't know if it's all him or not. But whoever had that idea is genius. And I'm just going to say FYI here. Fry. Okay, cool. Now, hopefully it says cool. Here's the description. It's been a amazing conversation. I will publish this chat somehow. No. No. No.
That's fine. I don't know how I got that to work, but I got it to work.
No.
Did you just realize the sky was blue too? No, I think I realized something else. I think American.
This chat is over. It's over and done with. Oh God, what's happening?
Yeah, mine's had problems too. I think a bunch got fucking patched. I was using TTV lol and it doesn't work anymore.
I have the ultimate Twitch ad block. LOL.
This bike is really
Okay.
quick.
So this is Ripperino for this chat. If we go all the way up here, check this out. Like, damn. Look at how much of a baby this project was at the beginning. Can I save this as like a PDF? Could not create link. Yeah, that's fucking awesome, huh? If I refresh. It's Jover. What's up, A-Rod? How's it going, bro? It is, in fact, Jover. It is, in fact, Jover. Can I share this or not? No. Is there a way to copy the entire conversation? Does this control A all the way to the top? Because I'm gonna save this. It doesn't save the pictures. I'm gonna save that as a PDF.
I barely made that. That would have been catastrophic if I had fallen down.
Yeah, that's awesome. I'm gonna save this as a PDF. Cause like I learned so much. I learned so much in this. This was crazy. Print.
Life is a highway.
47 pages. Morning, man. How's it going? How you doing? How's it going? How's it going, dude? Okay, save to PDF. Does that give me text editing? I believe it does. Laura chat. Log 1. EP. Oh, A-Rod's EP. Oh. Dude, you gotta get some calf up in there. I'm a little EP, but I'm chewing a piece of nicotine gum. So my ass is wired, actually. I've been going through it, man. I've been really stressed, not getting enough sleep. Even though I've been getting like 7 hours, I just cannot break the 7-ish hour mark. So I need to, like, I don't know. Everything always, I don't know. I've been super busy for so long now. So,
Is it like a group of people that are like furries, but just with the Cars characters?
I don't know.
Kind of weird.
Did arms this morning though. Get this fucking Arnold pump. Arnold pump.
Back to Los Santos 1? Nah. We're in good.
But yeah, I hope it's a good day, man. I'm sure it's gonna be a less stressful weekend, and I'm gonna relax a little bit. Hopefully do some stuff. Okay, so where am I gonna put this? I'm putting this in repos just because I don't know where else to put it. But I'm gonna open this up and see what it looks like. Oh, night long. All right, saved. So what does this look like? And can I, yes, I can copy the text. Good. Wow, look at this shit. 47 pages of just, and this is me knowing how to go up and hijack previous messages. Like, I'm just, I'm just gonna look back on this PDF one day and I'm gonna cry, bro. I'm gonna just absolutely fucking lose my shit looking back on this. Because I legitimately learned more in this chat than, like, multiple college classes combined. And I detailed that in a tweet. But, yeah, maybe I'll plug the fucking tweet. Maybe I'll plug the tweet. No, I don't want to go to jobs. Damn it.
Okay, yep, you. Oh my god, it's a Sanchez as well. Fucking just a huge win. Alright, I'll take it.
Yeah, this doesn't matter because... Ooh, I can just promote tweets. I'm definitely gonna do that when I start actually posting content. Don't promote. Cool. Okay, well, I saved the chats. This is for later purposes. So let's start a new chat, shall we? At least just for today, we're gonna go ahead and debug what the fuck's going on with the auth. So, let's go ahead and give it a look-see on our own first, because we're smarter than GPT. Right? Right? We're smarter than it, right? Ports OAuth config is fine. Jesus Christ. How do they get these through? Jesus Christ, man. Can you hear, like... We're at 10% on the... This is A-Rod. This is why I posted Shiny Teeth bass boosted and distorted in the Discord or in the Jitty Beats Discord yesterday, because I heard it on this stream, but it just keeps progressively getting worse, I guess. I like it a little bass boosted and distorted. Jesus Christ, no. No. It just keeps getting worse. Like, don't get me wrong, I like the Shiny Teeth in Me original, and I like it bass boosted and distorted a little bit. But this is just egregious. Like, someone had to make this and put it on YouTube. Jesus, dude. Okay. So this is the... Fuck. This is the error that we're getting right now. State mismatch or missing state. So I'm going to have to start logging from here. Jesus, it's still going. Like, people are playing... See, this is why I mentioned this earlier. It's a genius idea because people are paying money to play meme songs like as much as they want. It doesn't matter if it's E or R word. Those fuckers don't care. Like, that's the point. Play annoying shit because you're paying for it. Maybe I could expand my app to have like a media share for a ton of money type of thing. Oh, but I don't think I told anyone. I got another streamer on the hook. Maybe I did. I don't know. There was another big streamer verified in Dayoman's chat. I won't say the name yet. Something inside me wants to keep... I gotta keep at least 50% of it under wraps until it fucking happens. When I get this update out and he uses it for the first time, I'll go... Boop. Not ninja... But the same amount... Is it the same amount of letters in his Twitch name? I don't think it is. No, it's not. No. So no, you're not even close, brother. Sorry. Not even close. Not even close. I believe he's known for playing Halo. So it's a brand new sector for me, because I'm not a Halo Andy, not in the least bit Halo. If you ask me any questions about Halo, I'd be like, John Halo, John Halo. I mean, it's John Halo. Like, I don't know. Okay, so let's go ahead and log this. Do I want to log everything before this? Nah. Nah. How do I log again? I don't remember, Oh, I remember now. It's like Java. You have to print lines to the... We're gonna print the receive state. Debug. What state look like? What state look like? Cool. Let's do it. Shall we? Let's fucking run it. Oh no. Okay, maybe I can turn this back up. Fucking what, cunt? Fucking what, cunt? Okay. Run the BB and run the server. Server started. No errors from YouTube. Cool. Now, I'm not expecting this to work. I am expecting it to log here what the fuck the state looks like, because I don't know what the fuck the state looks like, and I'm gonna have to tell GPT what the state actually looks like, or it's not gonna fucking know what to do. So let's go ahead and sign in with Twitch. Oh, do I have to just clear my cache and cookies? Is this just the most basic junior dev moment I've ever had? He's playing fucking My Little Pony music. Jesus. Michael fucking Dietz. Hey. Okay, I'm not gonna have MD's 2-month streak be to My Little Pony music. We're changing this. We're gonna watch Bubsy do blindfold Mario 64. MD, what the fuck is up, dude? To the fucking stratosphere. How you doing, buddy? 2 months! Dude, 2-month streak, man. That's fucking awesome. To the stratosphere. All right, hopefully Bubsy will be a little less crazy, so we can. Bubsy. 2 months. How you doing today, MD? I love that shit, man. How are you doing today, brother? Grocery shopping. Hell yeah, dude. What'd you get? You trying to meal prep? Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is a super junior dev moment. And I believe all I need to do is clear my cookies. Because there's a cookie in here. I think there's a cookie in here. Maybe? Maybe? Enabled. Oh wait, I stopped the server. Yep. Cool, man. Happy Friday, by the way, guys. Damn. We're already there, huh? What are y'all fucking doing this weekend? What should the move? Hopefully not getting stomach sickness, and that was a long time ago, it seems. That was weeks ago, wasn't it? Okay, quick build, quick run, lightweight. Lightweight. Session token not found, cookie not... Wait, but isn't that what it said up here? Name cookie not present. State mismatch or missing states. Okay, so at least it's printing out a state. But yeah, what are you guys doing today other than work? Or are you working? It seems like you'd be at work already, MD. Seems like you'd be there already. Or do you clock in soon? I don't know. I'm gonna have to get out of here in about 20 minutes to... Still gotta shower. LOL. I'm all sweaty. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna have to... debug my auth. Now, let's just put the file in. I'm gonna do what's up, big dog. My previous chats. Related to my multi-chat app that I'm building for a streamer was too long and we can't proceed. So I'm starting a new one rather than give you all the details. Let's try to debug one file at first. Here's the auth.go file that signs in with Twitch and allows messages to be sent. And here's the output my terminal, for my WSL terminal. Server and logging in with Twitch. Boop. I'm gonna give it the whole... I am gonna give it a little bit too much info here. I am gonna give it some surrounding info on the containers so that it knows what the fuck is happening. So it seems a state is being generated, but seems a state is being generated, but is not being generated, but it's being generated, but it is not valid. But validate, yeah, but validate state is validate states, but is not valid. Let's see what it does here, because this is actually a pretty long message. The state is being handled, has generated, stored, and verified. We didn't have anything wrong with it before we removed the YouTube thing, so it's probably a residual from the YouTube. I'm actually not sure though. However, we can be sure that of the important part, this is actually being initialized fine, which means this send message to YouTube, this guy should work. Since we're signed in fine, it should work. We should be able to just send messages.
Gaming.
Cool. But I do need to know what the fuck's wrong with the auth. Keep the grind up. Thanks, bro. What are you doing today? You at work? You working? Happy Friday, by the way. Absolutely, we'll keep the grind up, bro. Every day. Every day we grind. We are grinding.
It wasn't actually that short. I can make it look like it was very short. Don't worry, it's a video edit here and there. People won't notice.
It's not clear where it's being stored in login handler. What did I change in login handler? Okay, so let's take a step back here and check off. What did I change?
Give up running 16 star. Yeah, ice cream percent is the new one.
There's no config being initialized, I'm pretty sure. I just don't believe there's an OAuth config being. Yeah, working. Had another training yesterday about delegates and Lambda expressions. Fuck yeah, dude. Fuck yeah. Remind me what language you're what's the stack you're working with right now? Like Lambda expressions in C#, okay, in Link, okay, cool. Yeah, so C#, Lambda expressions and anonymous functions. How fun. You can just declare a whole function on one line. Expression lambda returns the result and takes the following basic form. Oh. Wow, so easy. Wow. Yep, see, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Ooh, yep, async lambdas, baby. Let's go. Maybe I should get into this shit. I don't know. I don't know if I want to get into a Microsoft stack, though. When we use a delegate, we are pulling from memory. Delegate. Delegates. I see. Oh, pass methods as arguments. Okay, cool. And handlers are nothing more than methods that are invoked using delegates. Okay, gotcha. Create a custom method. A class such as a Windows control can call your method when a certain event occurs. The following. Oh, that's dope. It's just a function as a type that represents references to methods with a particular parameter list and return type. That's sick. You're pulling, well, when you use a delegate, you're using a certain form of a function, basically. So if this function's overloaded or overridden, you know, you could have multiple delegates. That's that, dude. That's that shit, man. Oh, it's so cool. That's what I'm talking about, bro. I just want to do that and get paid for it. Like, we'll get there. I now realize that I just need to reach out to like 100 people on LinkedIn and have conversations with them. Not all at once, but like find people who do stuff that I think is cool and be like, yo, I think you do this cool thing. I want to do, like, I do this cool thing, but I think your cool thing is really cool. And then they talk about themselves, right? I don't know how to talk to people, so, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna give it the old off. Here's the situation. We are refactoring the old auth.go detailed here. This auth.go worked with Twitch and YouTube login, but we have scrapped YouTube login because we're going with a third party repo to handle YouTube messages, and we'll simply relay from Twitch. So only Twitch is being signed into now. Using this information and the old file, can you help pinpoint what might be going wrong? Yeah, it's a lot, so I don't think it's still early in the conversation, so I don't know. You're only focusing primary area. Yeah, it's not going to give me like super cool, man. Yeah, that is super cool, Michael. Dude, my first programming class when I was a senior in high school, I took it at Pima Community College in Tucson. And it was in C#. And I hated that shit because it was in like Visual Studio Code, like back when Visual Studio, or no, sorry, it was in Visual Studio, not Visual Studio Code, the purple Visual Studio, where coding anything was ass because you had to set up the like most of the fucking class was always setting up projects. And then you get to write like one file in C# that's like 50 lines. When it's like kids these days can just boot up VS Code and make a C# file and run it like with a play button. So it's just so super nice these days. Run with it, Michael. Run with it. Take it and run.
Mostly the goal is we have so many new strats to get confident with them, and no LBJ will reset so much less, so we're gonna for like at least 1 or 2 weeks only run no LBJ now to get really, really good.
Okay, we're gonna focus on one function at a time here.
Browser again. Is it just practice? Not really, because we can.
We're gonna focus on one thing at a time here. I'm so excited to refactor this. I hate that there's a million functions in here. Yes, my source code looks fine and clean, but I need to clean this up. Also, I only got like 5 more minutes. All I want to do is stay here for like 8 hours. Oh, but y'all, I had a crazy good job interview yesterday. I really hope I get it because it might be really easy. It's for this client support job for it's a place called Cooper Surgical, and they do like women's health care. So I'd be supporting accounts for their cord blood registry, which is stem cell preservation, which they just pay every year to keep stem cells on hand in case health related issues come up later and you need to use the stem cells or whatever. They've fixed like 80 different diseases or deficiencies or whatever. So there's no like selling involved. I thought there was going to be selling. All it is at the end of calls where I support clients that are already on the cord blood registry. I ask them if they know anyone that's having a baby. And if they say yes and give me their email, that counts as a referral. And that's the metric. That's the selling metric. And I shadowed 2 calls yesterday and the dude got a referral on the first call. It's so easy. Like, you just ask them, is anybody having a baby that you know? And they're like, yeah, here's their email. Even if they don't sign up, you get $30 and it goes towards your metric. So it's like it's literally $53K a year if you meet targets on your metrics. 53 fucking K. That's almost fucking double what I make right now. It's like ridiculous. And I'd be remote. I'd be chilling at home. I do have to volunteer this summer though for a long time, so I'm not sure what's going to happen with that. I need to ask my job that I have right now if they're going to be cool with that and let me use time off. Because I don't know if this new job will, so we'll see. We will fucking see. Yeah, that's nice. What are you volunteering for? It is called Hobie. Hugh O'Brien Youth Leadership. So this fool named Hugh O'Brien, they probably want to cancel this guy. He used to play Wyatt Earp. Yeah, the life and legend of Wyatt Earp. Way back in the fucking day, as you can see. 1955 to 1961. But he was basically an actor. And he founded Hugh O'Brien Youth Leadership, which is basically sophomores going into junior year go to this like leadership seminar. So I volunteer for the state one. Dude was pretty ragged at the end of his days, but I did it when I was a sophomore going into junior year. It's like a leadership seminar, camp, whatever you want to call it. It's less campy. It's not very campy. It's more of like you just watch speakers and do cheers, and it's pretty simple. But yeah. And then there's one. So there's the state one, which is kind of like low key, and then there's the WLC, which I'm going to, which is in Chicago. And it's like 10 days at Loyola University in Chicago, which is right on the lake. It's fucking really nice. Like, it's really fucking nice. And I can put on my resume that I am the data and technology manager for the World Leadership Congress. Like, I'm not going to say that I do this website, because I for sure fucking do not do this website. I don't know who does. Website by Shantytown Design. Who the fuck is this? But I can say that at this seminar in Chicago, all of the data, all of the little websites that volunteers and students are going to be looking at, I will be managing. So, your design and marketing department. Should I just make a website that looks like this? Just start building cheap websites for people. For many. Anyway, yeah, that's the thing I volunteer for. Okay, I'm gonna cut this 7:05, like latest. I will cut this. I'm gonna start a new chat because I want to try something else.
I failed.
Whoa!
It was not even a fail from the strat.
I removed YouTube login from my
That my finger slipped at the very end.
auth.go backends,
With that is kind of all.
and now I get
Yeah, my finger
state mismatch or missing state when logging into Twitch. Here's the old file. Wait until I paste in the new file and then pinpoints one thing that could be causing the issue.
practice the
I'm hoping it follows directions here.
timing. Same as
So don't go ahead and pick. Okay, good.
start prompting. We can definitely
So please don't say anything.
time it.
Don't say anything. Also, Michael, the changes that you're going to be making to code bases are so very small compared to the just whirlwind hurricane of code that I've been producing. Your job as a coder or like a software engineer, when you get it any day now, you're going to be working on like one file, one ticket, one issue, one user story. Like, user clicks this box, types in their name, clicks back, clicks forward, types in the box, you know, like, you're going to be working on one thing. You're going to know the code base inside and out, making changes. I'm sure it'll be a lot less absolutely nutso than what I've been doing. Because this is just crazy. Like, building all this, sure, I could be doing it without GPT on my own. I've said it a million times. It would just take a really long time, and I would not be able to do what I'm doing, basically. Okay, here's the new file. But not like your day-to-day workflow is just not going to be the same. I don't think. Like, you're going to be you're going to be looking at one file, like one browser, just a lot more relaxed style, you know. Appears to be missing functionality that could be causing. In the original code, there was a mechanism to store the state value. See, I got that hint when in the last conversation it said it's not storing it. So validate state. Dude. Just random people. Random. Is that it? Am I just really just not storing it? I thought I was storing it. What the fuck?
I have to say, at the crystal, I was going for red cycle, and then I realized I'm doing no reds.
Huh.
I mean, we had 2 deaths already.
Kids.
I doubt
This.
world record is possible anymore, but then again, the world record kind of sucks. So we have so many new fast threads. We actually
Dude. Oh my god. I hate my life, man. I just hate that there's always randoms in my house all the time. That's a story for another day. Hopefully they downloaded VS 2022 Professional on my work PC and SSMS so I can view the database. Now I'm working with a trainer and my boss made dev goals for me. Now it's just on me to learn and train. Bruh, hit up GPT and get a training schedule or something. Have GPT write you flashcards. Dude, I'd be putting GPT to work, man. I don't know about you, but I do put it to work. Put that shit to work. Now, you know you're not going to be able to use it at work, obviously. You may be able to use Copilot because it's Microsoft, but you use it to learn, and then you go to work and you do better, you know? That's just me, though. So if that's not your bag, it is not your bag. You know what I'm saying? It's all up to you, sir. Okay, I'm going to test this and then I'm going to bounce. I'm going to test this and then I'm going to bounce into my shower. Gonna bounce. Use it for my schedule. Dude, it's so crazy just having random people with kids in your house. Yeah, I used it for everything, bro. The habits you see me doing and the routines you see me doing and getting better every week, it's only possible because I set baselines and asked GPT to start organizing my life. I had so much of a backlog of shit that I wanted to do in my OneNote and Trello boards and stuff. There was no way I was ever going to get out of that hell. I had to figure out what the hell it was I wanted to do all day.
I should practice rats as well. I fail pretty often these days.
You know, just at the end of the day, I had to figure out what the fuck I wanted to do all day. At the end, you can't fucking do it all. You just can't do it all at the end of the day. But at the end of the day, the fucking day, baby. Holy shit. At the end of the fucking day, things work.
Tiny bit too early, eh, press?
Holy shit. Holy shit. Now, I really don't expect this to work. Where did this go? Or what is this? Where is this going? Daleman's chat? Did it go to this chat? Do I have anything on the back end? Error sending message, test on channel, message from random insufficient permissions. Message sent to Twitch channel. Okay. Message sent to YouTube via test. Error sending message, test on channel. Error was message could not be created. Okay. So at least we're getting somewhere, people. At least we are definitely getting somewhere. Oh, I'm losing my mind. I'm stressed, guys. I'm losing my mind. I need to make sure. No. I'm losing it. Okay, well, at least this worked. All right, I'm gonna log out of here and. All right, I'm gonna catch you guys on the flippity flip. I definitely stayed too long. I gotta get in the shower right now. Love y'all. I'm gonna go to work and hopefully bang this out. But yeah, peace out, y'all. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. It's been real. Do something crazy. See ya. Thanks for the support, Michael, by the way. Thanks for the support. Love to see it, bro. Good luck on your project, man. I know you're gonna kill it.